Hello, everyone. In today's modern architectural landscape, we are seeing a massive shift towards spaces that prioritize flexibility without compromising on aesthetics. Many businesses these days don't want to choose an open plan office or a separate private executive suite, but they want a workspace that can transition between both in an instant. At EZFoldADoor, we've developed a solution that allows you to move your walls and reclaim your space. So whether you're an architect, designer, or business owner, understanding how to maximize your square footage is key to having a creative and productive environment. Now, the heart of our office can be found right here with our smart glass technology. Now, what looks like a standard piece of glass, right, actually has a secret behind it. So, on the inside, in between the panels, we have what is called a PDLC film, or a polymer dispersed liquid crystal film. What that means is that inside, there are these little crystals that, when they're dispersed, make it look completely opaque. You cannot see through the glass at all. But when we turn it off, crystals go back to normal and you can see through the glass, no problem. Now, while the glass offers complete control over visibility, you have physical control to your space. Now, with our folding door systems, the beauty of it is that it allows you to completely open your space 100%. This system specifically is designed to maximize your office space. We have interior and exterior application doors available. But while we're looking at this one, let's look at some of the special features. Now, not only can you open these two panels to allow for a free-looking view, but you also have standard egress door for quick and convenient access through the opening. So in case you're in a hurry going in and out of meetings, it's no problem for us. Our commitment to office innovation has led to several high-profile successes. We're proud to share that our systems have recently been selected for several major corporate headquarters and tech hub projects. These clients chose us because we provide a high level of engineering that makes sense for their return on investment for a modern office. You're getting a premium, custom-made solution that transforms how your team works every single day. So, whether you're designing an office for the next up-and-coming startup or a global headquarters, EZFoldADoor is here to help you maximize your space. Please visit us at EZFoldADoor.com to download a full catalog or book a free consultation with our team today.